So one of the things that, if you follow the tournaments we fish, that we don't do a ton of anymore during tournament hours is troll big crankbaits. And I think the reality of it is there's still a ton of people. In fact, the majority of walleye anglers around the country still troll a lot of big baits. And this is a bait that I want to talk a little bit about. It's been out for just a couple of years here, is the Berkley Deep Hit Stick. It's available in 3 different sizes, a size 9, a 10.5, and a 12. And one of the things that's great about this bait is it has a very wide tail action, wider than, say, the flicker minnow. A lot of walleyes have been caught, a lot of anglers love that flicker minnow, but this is a louder, wider, and deeper diving bait than the flicker minnow. So very comparable to a lot of those bigger bodied baits that people like to troll on Lake Erie in the spring and in the fall. You know, Green Bay, all those big Great Lakes systems, this is gonna be a great bait to try like that. A lot of different color options. Like I said, the 3 sizes available. This is an extremely true running bait. We did a ton of testing on it to make sure that it tracks true, whether you're going 0.8 miles an hour or 3 miles an hour with it. So just a very versatile bait with a lot of noise. It's gonna get down to those deep walleyes really quickly. If you haven't tried the Berkley Deep Hit Stick, make sure you go out and get yourself some, anywhere in that size 9, 10.5, and 12.